Hello guys, this is our application. I already explained this game in other video. The link would be in the description. Also of other mining site that pay for reals. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video to make benefits to all people. Today I will show you how to get unlimited diamonds for withdrawing coins. Like we see, it's simple. The principle of this game is to hunt fish. After that you play, you click here, you choose the minimum or the maximum, and you hunt fish. Also you hunt this small you hunt USDT, Tether, Ethereum, coins, also money. You can use this strategy to earn from this one. When hunting, you click in extra and you get one diamond. We don't use this one because you must have energy here to get a number of hand. For one energy you get one hand. To collect energy you must get more energy here, watch ads and get more energy here. But how to get unlimited diamond here for withdraw? You go to withdraw like that. Like you see, I have this amount of my account, $15 of USDT, 17 Matic, 1 Ethereum, 0.1 WBTC. We go to withdraw like that. Like you see, I have already withdraw $2 from this game. When you press withdraw here, you will find this option. You can use any. Also you can change your wallet here. You click in change wallet head and put your wallet for USDT. Also for other Matic, you put your Matic address here. We return, we select withdraw, we go to withdraw. Now go to the trick. The trick is simple. We use an application. The link will be in description. You do download from the short link. You do small short link and you download this application. It's the most powerful application. Let's go to the application. This is our application. You download from the link below. You will find this one closed. You select record mode like that. After that you return to the application. After activating the recording mode in the application, we go to our game. We click in withdraw. We go to withdraw. We go to withdraw another time. You must use a VPN. The link will be in description. Use any VPN. Select USA or Canada in VPN. Let's go. You can let the script work for you. This one you can let this trick work for you. You just do this to get diamond. You must click in withdraw. Every time you get diamond for every advertising. We don't do manually. We just record the screen from this application. I advise to use this application. Download from the link. It's the best one. I try all the application. I find this best one. You can let this application run and earn for you when you don't use your phone. We click in record mode. This one in red. We click here in withdraw. We click in watch ads and we click slowly. Now we watch an ads and it's recording. Like you see, it's recording. We do nothing. We let ads complete. Just let the ad complete. And we wait here. Be careful. Press in this one in the corner, exactly like that. Now one coin it's added. Like you see, it's 13. Now we stop. Now we to go to this one. We click here. We close option. we click in save, we save as, we name ads, we name any name, we go here repeat count, we make 0 for infinity, like that it will repeat itself for infinity. We click in save, now we click in load, we go to adds our script. Now we return to our application. Now our script is recording. Now it will be automatically doing. Sometimes it will no show ads, but let the script work. When there is ads, it will work for you. Use a VPN of Canada or USA and let the script collect diamond for you. Now let the script work. Like we see, we record our action slowly. After that, we click in save as and we save our recording. Now we wait until it will work automatically, collect diamonds for you. Like you see, I show my withdrawal. Sometimes no ads show, but when you let the script work a long time, it will collect for you many diamonds, even 300 diamonds a day. It's simple, and just some time to time take a look to the screen. Sometimes it click in the screen, you in the ads and open the ads, you stop the script and return to the page of the game. It will throw like I show you, and restart the and press play again, like you see. Just like the ads some seconds after it's complete. Like you see, it will click automatically. I do nothing, like I told you. Like you see, now I will stop. I just show you how to work. All link could be in description. The link of the application that I use in the description. It's a short link. You complete the short link and you get your application in your phone. You install and you do like I do. Good luck for everyone. See you another mining video.